This video on the FARGO HDP6600 card printer demonstrates how to perform routine cleaning maintenance. The cleaning kit contains cleaning instructions, cleaning cards, isopropyl cleaning tissues, printhead cleaning swabs, and long isopropyl cleaning cards. Open the printer door and pull out the ribbon drawer. Pull the ribbon securing tab downwards and remove the print ribbon. Return the tab to the closed position and push the ribbon drawer home. Pull out the film drawer. Press the tabs together and lift out the film accumulator and then swing it to the right. Pull the film securing tab outwards and then remove the film. Return the tab to the closed position. Swing back the accumulator and then push it home. Push the film drawer home and close the printer door. Remove the card input hopper. Remove the paper from both sides of the cleaning card. Place the cleaning card onto the card feed rollers. Cleaning maintenance can be initiated from the printer LCD or from the printer driver. On the printer LCD, press the Tools button. Press the down arrow button until Toolbox is displayed. Press Enter. Press the Enter button again to initiate the cleaning routine. The cleaning card will be pulled into the printer to start cleaning the card path rollers, and will be moved in and out several times during the process. Once the cleaning routine finishes, the cleaning card will be ejected into the output hopper. To clean the printhead, firstly switch off the printer. Open the printer door and pull out the print ribbon drawer. Remove the printhead cleaning swab from its packaging. Move the swab back and forth in the area of the green line several times as shown. Pull the ribbon securing tab downwards and replace the ribbon. Return the tab to the closed position and push the ribbon drawer home. Open the film drawer and then open the film accumulator. Pull the film securing tab outwards and then replace the film. Return the securing tab to the closed position and close the accumulator, ensuring it is firmly pressed home. Close the film drawer and then the printer door. Remove the cleaning roller from the card path. Every new ribbon comes with a cleaning roller. Remove the paper wrapper and place the cleaning roller in the card path. Replace the input card hopper. To see more technical videos, please visit our HID YouTube channel.